Welcome to Automotive World, your go-to channel for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of Volkswagen and taking a closer look at their 2025 lineup. Volkswagen continues to impress with its focus on innovation, sustainability, and performance, and their upcoming models are no exception. From sleek sedans to versatile SUVs and groundbreaking EVs, there's something for everyone in their range. In terms of design, Volkswagen's 2025 lineup showcases a bold yet refined aesthetic with aerodynamic contours and a modern, tech-focused interior. The use of high-quality materials and a minimalist layout ensures a premium feel throughout. Cutting-edge technology is at the heart of these vehicles, with advanced driver assistance systems, intuitive infotainment setups, and seamless connectivity options. The inclusion of larger touchscreens, voice control, and over-the-air updates ensures drivers stay ahead of the curve. Performance remains a strong suit for Volkswagen, with their 2025 models offering a balance between power and efficiency. Their expanded electric vehicle lineup, led by models like the ID. Buzz and the updated ID.4, boasts impressive ranges, fast charging capabilities, and dynamic driving experiences. For traditional combustion engines, Volkswagen continues to deliver refined options with enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Hybrid options are also gaining traction, providing a middle ground for those transitioning to greener alternatives. Safety is a key focus for the brand, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a suite of sensors and cameras for optimal visibility. Volkswagen's dedication to passenger protection ensures peace of mind for drivers and families alike. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily commuter, a spacious family SUV, or an innovative electric vehicle, Volkswagen's 2025 lineup has plenty to offer. Their commitment to blending style, technology, and performance ensures that they remain a top choice in the automotive industry. If you're as passionate about cars as we are, make sure to subscribe to Automotive World for more in-depth reviews, latest updates, and exciting features from the world of automobiles. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to support the channel. Stay tuned for more.